Duck. You like ducks. You can't go inside, Oliver. I'm sorry.
Nej, vi må ikke gå derind. Det må man ikke.
You have to stay up here. That's the rule. To abide by the rules.
His little hands are like... Nu kommer der vist et tog her i Santa Barbara, hva'? Det er det, vi kan høre noget hos farfar også. Look, that's what they do. You see it very clearly there. They do that under the mud when they eat.
Animals making that sound, or the train makes that sound.
They're used to it.
You can stand right there. Okay. About it. I'm just going to use up our memory chip on that video.